Hello, my name is Vani. I'm student of Koshish kindergarten. I choose the best way for my future. Hi guys, my name is Ali. I'm grade 1 in Koshish school. For a better future, I choose Koshish school. Hello, my name is Varan. I'm from Koshish school. I am grade 2. I choose the best for my future.
Hello, my name is Rawa. I am from Koshish school. I am grade 3B and I choose best for my future.
Hi, my name is Arisa. I am from Koshish school. I am grade 3 and I want the best for my future.
I'm Muhammad Rizka. I am from Koshish school. I am grade 3. I choose the best for my future.
Hi, my name is Dia. I'm grade 4 and I'm from Koshish school. I choose the best for my future.
Hi, I'm Rona in Koshish school and I am grade 6 and I choose the best for my future.
Hi, my name is Shakam. I'm grade 6. I'm from Koshish school. I chose the best for my future.
Hi, my name is Taman. I'm from Koshish school and I am grade 7. I choose the best for my future.
Hello, my name is Lavin. I am student of Koshish school. I'm grade 7. I choose the best for my future.